Radio replacement interface. Retains chime function. Outputs for navigation radio functions. Interface can be quickly updated if needed from PAC website using PAC Up USB adapter. Radio Pro 5 interface for 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500-2014, GMC Sierra 1500 with 29-bit GM LAN V2 databus with 20-pin 16-pin harnesses. Retains OnStar Telematics system, retains front and rear park assist. Data-controlled outputs for connection to your navigation radio, speed, reverse and e-brake status output wires. Retains original steering wheel control functions with the new radio with no additional interface or programming needed. Data-controlled wrap accessory output. Interface can be quickly updated if needed from the PAC website using a PAC Up USB adapter. An all-in-one radio replacement and SWC interface. The innovative Radio PR05 from PAC Audio comes preloaded with OnStar retention, amplifier retention, SWC software, navigation-based output signals and other features that save time and money during installation. Retains OnStar Telematics system and original steering wheel control functions with the new radio with no additional interface or programming needed. Top reviews from the United States. PAC. Easy install, came with everything needed and works great.